We're diving into summer at Knott Soak City, and it's our very first time. From slides to slushies and getting dunked by the giant bucket, we're showing you what makes this water park a total splash for families. Hi, it's Amanda, aka Dreamy Manda, and I am here with Liam and Morgan, and we are about to have a fun day at Soak City Water Park.
Soak City Water Park is so fun. You could have a blast here.
Yeah, what are you excited to go on today?
The wave pool.
Yay! Morgan, what do you want to do?
I like to go on the wave pool too.
All right, we're gonna wave pool it up today then, all right?
All right.
All right, let's go have some fun.
Let's go have some fun and
Yeah.
come on with us.
Yay! We are heading into Soak City now after going through security. There are changing rooms for men and women located at the front entrance of the water park. There are also lockers available to keep your personal belongings. If you are coming in on a weekend, you'll definitely want to grab a locker early. A regular locker is $15 and the larger was $20 or $25, I believe. Knott Soak City offers private cabanas, and we booked the Shore Break Cabana for the day. As pass holders, we were able to get a discount. Cabana users will receive special wristbands allowing them access to this area. There are a couple other larger cabana options as well. These cabanas are the smallest option and are located next to the Shore Break Water Slide Tower. The Shore Break cabanas include seating for up to 8, 4 tubes, a table, a lockbox, and best of all, shade. Well worth it in my opinion, especially with that pass holder discount. You'll receive a complimentary water pitcher and also have the option of adding on food and beverage service for $20 for the entire day. There are drink and food options that are not available at the quick service locations. You get a lot more options here. The purple tubes are your rentals for the day, so make sure you don't leave these in the lazy river or at a slide or give them away. Alright, gonna put on some sunscreen and then we're gonna go head out into the sun and the water and have some fun. There are loungers and chairs located around the park as well as grassy areas. You can even bring in your own chairs and umbrellas if you would like. Soak City boasts 23 slides, so there's something for everyone. On this side, you can catch Shore Break, which features 2 dueling tube slides where you can ride single or double. The other 4 slides make up the Aqua Launch, an extreme slide where the floor drops out from under you, launching you into a high-speed free fall down 7 stories. It looks super thrilling, but maybe not for me this trip. The Wedge is an open-air family raft ride for up to 6 people. I took my nephew on this and we had a blast. Next to each slide are posted height requirements and wait times. Weekdays tend to be less busy, but weekends and holidays can be over 45-minute waits. Bonsai Falls features 6 multi-lane speed slides and is a fun one to race with friends and family. You ride on a mat and catch some major speed on the way down. The Laguna Stormwatch Tower features 3 tube slides, Typhoon, Tornado, and Cyclone. You can ride in a single or double tube. Old Man Falls features 3 thrilling slides to choose from and looks really fun. Next to it is Malibu Run, 4 single tube slides with 2 open air slides and 2 fully enclosed slides. Unfortunately, the kids didn't meet the height requirements for these, so I will have to try them another day. For the littles, Remy Lagoon is perfect for toddlers and younger kids to splash around. There's an interactive octopus and a fun submarine to explore, as well as mini slides. My 4-year-old niece wasn't tall enough for any of the other slides, so this was perfect for her to play around in. Forgot your sunscreen? Don't worry. Soak City has a full shop stocked with essentials and fun souvenirs. The Wipeout Surf Shop literally has everything you need for a day in the sun and water. From water shoes to swimwear, flip-flops, sun care, sunglasses, hats, souvenirs, and more. I had actually forgotten my pair of swim shorts, but luckily the store saved the day and I was able to find a really cute pair. I'm really loving that they have some Snoopy themed merch in here as well. So cute. Gonna grab the GoPro and head into the water. Let's go. Sunset River is perfect for families who just want to chill or get splashed. You can walk, swim, or float. It's a long one, so you'll definitely get some R&R time. We grabbed a couple of our rental tubes for some floating time, and there are life jackets available for the kiddies and even adults. We worked up an appetite. Longboards Grill offers burgers, sandwiches, loaded fries, and more. There are also refreshment stations located around the park so you can easily grab drinks. If you have a souvenir cup, be sure to bring it to fill it up. We opted for Portside Pizza, which offers pizza, salads, funnel cakes, and ices. Yum! A slice of pizza comes with 2 breadsticks and is pretty good. Perfect for a day at the water park with kids.
What do you got?
I got a breadstick, some pizza, and
What is that?
icy.
For those 21 and over, you can find adult beverages around the park. Over by Tidal Wave Bay is a beach bar offering adult slushy beverages including margaritas. There is also beer on draft and assorted canned alcoholic beverages as well. I ended up getting a mango margarita, which came in the stainless cup. It hit the spot on a hot day. Tidal Wave Bay features a 750,000-gallon wave pool, and it almost feels like you're at the beach. The waves are super fun to swim and float around in, whether you're in the deeper end or hanging out in the shallow end. Life jackets are required for anyone under 52 inches. We couldn't resist going back to the wave pool twice. It was a blast splashing around in here. Another kid favorite is the Fun House, a 3-story structure featuring 200 water guns, sprayers, and other water fun. There are giant buckets that dump up to 500 gallons of water on those underneath. So much fun. Kids of all ages, or kids at heart, will have a blast. I even went down the slide here too. Want to make the most out of your day? Here are our top 5 Soak City survival tips. Arrive early. The water park in Cabana check-in opens at 10 a.m. If you don't have a cabana and are wanting shade, definitely get here early. The shady chair spots fill up really quick. Water shoes or flip-flops help on hot pavement. You can leave your sandals in front of attractions that you don't want to take them on. Since you might be leaving them, I don't recommend bringing anything nice. I brought the most beat-up sandals that I have. Reapply waterproof sunscreen often. There's not a lot of shade around the park, and that sun is hot. There's nothing worse than heading home looking and feeling like a lobster. If you're looking to take some fun pics or videos, I highly recommend bringing a waterproof phone case or GoPro like I have. It's awesome being able to capture the fun moments in the water. Finally, stay hydrated. Bring a refillable bottle like your Knott souvenir bottle and take advantage of the refresh stations around the park for water or fountain beverages.
We had the best time soaking up the sun at Knott Soak City. Tons of family-friendly fun, food, and just the right mix of chill and thrill. We'll definitely be back.
Next time you see us.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what's your favorite summer water park. See you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.
Welcome to Knott's Farm Water Park. We're at Soak City, and we're at Soak City now, but we went on too many rides. But not really. I just went on the best water slide ever. Yeah. It's kind of like one, but no one knows. Like the ledge and everything that's here. They have lockers. You can come in whenever you want at Knott's Berry's Farm, Soak City. The wave pool is awesome and great. You should go in the wave pool right now at Knott's Berry's Farm, Soak City. And subscribe to Auntie Amanda's channel. You'll meet us on the next video. We see you. On the cloud. We saw a lot of slides. The slides that we saw, you should go in. Go in them right now. Not very Farm Soak City, but not really right now. Next time you see us, we will be here. Yeah, we'll come back next time. On the next video, we see you. Make sure to subscribe and go on our channel to see us anytime. Welcome to Knott's Farm Soak City. Cowabunga, dudes.